Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter symmetry and transformations. The lesson we're going to cover from the chapter is identify congruent and similar figures. Then we'll start the new chapter that is three-dimensional figures. And the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are identify three-dimensional figures, count vertices, edges, and faces, nets of three-dimensional figures viewed from this different perspective. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. So let's just start with chapter symmetry and transformations. Here it is. And the lesson we're going to start with is identify congruent and similar figures. Okay, just let's just start with the first example. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So you are given a shape, you have to see the other one that are congruent to the given shape. So congruent means the other shape has same shape and size, right? So the only one that looks like same is this one. The rest of the three are not congruent to the given one because they have different shape and size. Got it? So only one shape is congruent. That means congruent means the same shape and size. Okay, let's just look at the next question. Only two. Okay, how are these figures related? You are given with two figures, you have to see how they are related. So they have same shape and same size. That means they are congruent. Got it? Okay, the next one is how are these figures related? They don't have same, they have not, they are not the same shape, they are neither similar. So that means they are neither similar, not congruent, nor congruent. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So which shapes are congruent to the given one? Second, third, and fourth. They are congruent to the given shape. So the correct option is the second one. Second, third, and fourth, they all are congruent to the first shape. Okay, how these shapes are related? So which is the correct option? The correct option is they are similar, they are congruent. Got it? Yes, they are congruent because they have similar shape and size. Okay, look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So which is the correct option? The correct option is second and third. Got it? Because the first and fourth are just second and third are congruent to the given one. Got it? How are these figure related? So which is the correct option? They are neither similar nor congruent. Got it? They are neither similar nor congruent. Okay, look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So which is the correct option? The correct option is all of them are. I think all of them are congruent to the given shape. So the correct option is all of them. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So which shape is congruent to the given one? Only the first one. The rest of the shape are not congruent. So only first one is congruent. How are these figure related? Which is the correct option? They are congruent. So the correct option is congruent. Look at this shape. Select all the shapes that are congruent to this one. So which is the correct option? The correct option is second, third, and fourth. How are these shapes related? They are neither similar nor congruent, right? So the correct option is the last one, neither similar nor congruent. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with the chapter. We're going to start the new chapter, and the new chapter is no, we're done with symmetry and transformation. The last one is three-dimensional figures. So let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is identify three-dimensional figures. Okay, what shape is this? This is a cone. Got it? The shape is a cone. The vertex has a pointy tip. This pointy tip is called vertex. Now look at the faces. The shape has two faces, the triangular curved face and the circle. The base is circle and this one is the curved. So the shape is a cone. Basically, you have to. Okay, the next one is what shape is this? And that is again a cone, right? Okay, the third one is again a cone. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what shape is this? Sphere or cone? Which is the correct option? The correct option is sphere. What shape is this? Sphere or cone? Which is the correct option? The correct option is cone, it is, right? What shape is this? This is a sphere. What shape is this? This is a cone. What shape is this? Sphere or cone? The correct option is sphere. What shape is this? This is a cone. What shape is this? Sphere or cone? The correct option is sphere. What shape is this? The correct option is cone. What shape is this? Sphere or cone? What shape is this? This is a sphere. What shape is this? The correct option is cone. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. And the next one is count vertices, edges, and faces. Okay, how many faces does the shape have? Faces are the flat parts of the shape. So here is the shape. Start with the two opposite faces, like the up one, the opposite one is the down one. Two faces, then this one and opposite to this side, four faces, then this one and back four. So that this shape has total six faces. Got it? So the correct option is six. Okay, the next one is how many faces does this shape have? The correct option is six faces the shape has. You can count the two opposite side faces. So you can hear like the up one, the down one, two. You can count in the pair of faces, like then you have this one and opposite side this one. This one is actually 3 and 5 are opposite sides, and 4 and 6 are opposite sides. So the shape has total 6 faces. I think we have to be slow. How many faces does this shape have? How many faces does this shape have? Just 4, 6 faces. You can count in the pairs, like up one and down one. Then you have this one and the back, then this side and so the shape has 6 faces. How many faces does this shape have? The correct option is 6. The correct option is 6. Whenever you have a shape like box, like cube, obviously they have 6 faces. So the correct option is 6. You can just look at a shoe box in your house. You can count the faces. They have exactly 6 faces. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 6. The shape has have 6 faces. The shape has 6 faces. So the correct option is 6. How many faces does this shape have? option is 6. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next one is nets of three-dimensional figures. Which figure will this net make? So you are given a net, you have to see if you fold the net, what figure you will make. Imagine folding this net along the dotted line. So if you fold this net along the dotted line, it will make a cube. Got it? So this net makes a cube. Okay, the next one is which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? The correct option is if you fold the image along the dotted line, it will make this shape with the triangles. So you can just look at the shape and you can see here you have triangular faces. That means this is the correct option. Got it? That would be a triangular prism. Okay, what which figure will this net make? Okay, you can see the net. You have the circular faces over here. Got it? That means it will make the cylinder. You can identify by just looking at the net and the different faces. So you have two face circular faces. That means that is the cylinder. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? correct option is option number A. If you fold the image along the dotted line, you can see all the faces are square. That means it will make a cube. So the correct option is option number 1. Which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, you can see you have the two triangular faces. So the correct option is option number A is the correct option. Which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one. You can see it would be a cylindrical cylinder, because you can see here you have the circular faces, so obviously it will make a cylinder. So option number B is the correct option. The correct option is option B. All the faces are square, that means they will make a cube. When you fold along the dotted line, they will make a cube. Which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, it will make the face that has the triangular shape. So obviously that would be option number B. The correct option is option number A. You can just see the faces. You have four triangular faces, four rectangular faces, and two square faces. So it would be option number A. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, today we are doing the last lesson from A plus. So probably from the next session we're going to start with the book. So let's just start with the last lesson from the A plus Three-dimensional figures viewed from different perspectives. If you look at this object from this side, what will you see? So you're standing here. That means this side is in front of you. There are one, two, three, four, six squares. So that means the correct option is this one. Got it? Imagine you are looking at this object from this side. You will see the squares highlighted below. Like them, you can see this face. Got it? Okay, if you look at this object from the front, what will you see? You are standing here. That means you can see this face. The one, two, three, four, the highlighted face. So the correct option is this one. Okay, if you look at this object from the top, what will you see? So which is the correct option? If you look this object from the top, you can see this face. So one, two, three, four, five. So the correct option is this one. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, if you look at this object from the top, what will you see? Which is the correct option? If you look at this object from the top, what will you see? The correct option is, you if you see from the top, you can see this face. That means you can see the one that has the 5 squares. So the correct option is option number B. You can see the B side. If you look at this object from the front, what will you see? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the face that has the 4 cubes. So option number B is the correct option. If you look at this object from this side, what will you see? So which is the correct option? If you look from this side, that means you can see this face with 6 squares. So that means option number B is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with all the lessons from aplusstudents.com. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. So, we are working on grade 5 math. We have started with the chapter symmetries and transformation. The lessons we have covered today are identify congruent and similar figures. Then we have started the new chapter, it is three-dimensional figures. The lessons we have covered are identify three-dimensional figures, count vertices, edges, and faces, nets of three-dimensional figures, and the one we just did is three-dimensional figures viewed from different perspectives. You can please ask question if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.